New to cassettes? You've come to the right place. Gary, keep it simple. Hi, if you're new to cassettes, welcome. This is just a quick one to show you what you need, well, what I need, and maybe it'll be of use to you. So if you're using your cassette deck like I do, this is what I start with. A pen, a simple Bic type pen, ballpoint, it'll fit within the sprockets of the tape. Then you're going to need either a type 2 or a type 1 tape to do the recordings on. Sounds a bit obvious, but you forget that sometimes. Then Grecian 2000, sorry, that's for the stress. This is isopropyl alcohol. This is for keeping things clean, and then you need the Q-tips to go with it. Set of headphones. You need the pen to wind up the slack in the tape. You need the alcohol and the Q-tips to keep this clean. This is the central head, it's the silver bit, the big rubber wheel, and the black head. If you don't get it right, this is what you end up with. It's just a nightmare, and it needn't happen. Don't forget though, you're going to have to connect it to an amplifier and speakers, or a set of powered speakers, something like Bluetooth speakers with a wire, that sort of thing, that'll keep you going. Okay then, on my channel there is a video about how to clean the tape path, and that will keep you out of trouble. So here we go, end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to click on the subscribe, on the notifications. Catch you again. Bye bye.